for video. Hi everyone. So today we're going to make a muffin. So first thing is we need fins. I have fins here. Next is a duct tape. So that's all, two kinds. You can buy fins in the regular store or whatever. I can duct tapes in a normal store or a mall. So the muffin and the duct you need a water duct tape because that makes it more water. Sorry, I bite it. So because we have no choice. Down you need to just just put it. So you're gonna duct tape it in the hair line of your tape. Then next everything on it. So then we're gonna sketch it. 3 hours later. So it's done. It's sticky, but it looks like a muffin. No painting in here because all paints are not allowed for water. So maybe the fish will die. So that will make it worse. We need fish because when you explore, I love fish. Okay, so we're gonna try it on. I'm just gonna here's the muffin. Put it on. We're gonna first put it on the muffin. Then you're gonna put the stretchy on it. You're gonna up it. That's what we're gonna do. At the stick. So it won't move like this. It won't move. So that's gonna practice you in your learning tail. If you have a learning tail. So now you know how to make muffins. So that's all.